Hey guys, today I'm going to be talking to you about a very simple way that you can help your client fight under eye puffiness, reduce fine lines, and overall wake up the face using one of our nighttime repair creams. One of the products that I love to talk to my clients about for their nighttime routine that I think is extremely important and essential for having a more fresh face when they wake up is the Circadia Full Circle Eye Repair Cream for night. One of the reasons I love to talk to my clients about utilizing the Full Circle Eye Repair Cream at night is because when you're going to sleep, your body goes into a natural repair cycle. And one of the best things you can do is help aid your body in repairing itself, especially when it comes to the skin. Your clients will be able to purchase this retail product in a 1 ounce product size, which lasts quite a bit since it's mainly designed for the under eye area. You'll want to make sure your client knows that they'll want to start with a fresh face, so they'll want to cleanse their face at night using any of our Circadia cleansers, whichever cleanser they feel works best for their skin type. And then they can take a small pump of this product, give it a nice little pump, just like that. I like to use these 2 fingers because they are our lightest touch, and you're just going to pat that into the eye area. And a couple little taps, being sure to avoid getting the product in the eye. So typically you'll want to talk to your client about this product during their facial treatment, or if your client, when you're doing a consultation, you notice in their home care routine they may have some gaps. We could look at filling the eye area here with the Full Circle Eye Repair. And what's really amazing about Circadia is not only do we have a nighttime repair cream, but we also have a version of this for daytime. This product features vitamin A. Vitamin A helps strengthen the support tissues. It aids in the growth and repair of the epidermis, which is the outer layer of your skin, and it stimulates fibroblast cells to produce collagen and thicken the skin. Well, I think we can all agree we are definitely not sleeping without our Full Circle Eye Repair Cream treatments.